Hey all, welcome back to Fire and Water Travel Services. My name is Darren, and today we're going to do a quick review of the Del Mar Latino All-Inclusive Beach Club right at the port in Cozumel, Mexico. I had the opportunity to visit this place, and I wanted to do a quick review so you can see if it's a place for you. Hey all, welcome to Fire and Water Travel Services. We specialize in affordable luxury and culinary adventures with all types of travel, including cruises, all-inclusives, and any type of travel that you're looking for. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and make sure you like and subscribe and share this channel. All right, guys, like I said, this particular beach all-inclusive resort has been on my hit list for a while now, just because of the convenience. It's really a 10-minute walk from the Puerto Maya port where Carnival and some of the other lines dock, and actually a little bit closer to the SAS International Port, which is right next door, but literally a 10-minute walk down the street after you come out of the port. So it's really convenient, no cab fees involved, and it's right across from the Casa del Mar Hotel, so it's you can really see it when you're walking. It's no trying to find it. It's really easy to get to. And when you get there, they're actually going to meet you at the front and walk you down to the bar where you're going to check yourself in. You got to make reservations ahead of time. This is an adults only place, and they only have a maximum of 40 guests that they will actually reserve. So we had less than that the whole time we were here on this particular day. $45 a person, includes all you can drink and all you can eat, and the use of their pool. And you can snorkel right here at the port. Plenty of loungers. They give you a cushion for your loungers. If you didn't bring a beach towel, they will actually rent you a beach towel for $5 for the whole day. So not too bad. We happened to forget our beach towels when we came here, so I rented a beach towel for $5. We actually spent about 4.5 hours here. I think they're open from 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock, and they start serving food at 10 o'clock and they stop serving food at like 4:15. But a decent selection of food and drinks, nothing too high shelf and nothing too fancy, but they did have some good coconut shrimp and tacos, of course, burgers, ceviche, shrimp cocktail, the standard foods that you would get at the other all-inclusive beach clubs. Now, this particular club is also owned by the gentleman who owns Nachi Kokum, which is another beach club that is down by Mr. Sancho's in Paradise Beach. So it is part of a bigger company. The infinity pool was warm. I don't know if it's heated, but it was very warm and very comfortable to just sit in and relax. Some of it is actually covered under that palapa, and so if you want to get out of the sun, you can. The loungers were very comfortable. Like I said, they gave you the covers for them as well, and the snorkeling was actually pretty good right here at the dock. So I snorkeled in there for a while and saw a bunch of fish. It's very shallow and very swimmable. The food that's included is, like I said, it's assortment of sandwiches and tacos and ceviche, chicken wings, fried coconut shrimp, which I loved, and the drinks are plentiful. So nothing too fancy, nothing high end, but they'll serve them to you all day long. This was the coconut shrimp that I had. Like I said, it was very good, very comparable to the other all-inclusive beach clubs on Cozumel. But the convenience factor here, where you can just walk right down to it from the port and relax, to me was really well worth it. $45 a day for the whole day for all the food and drink, and enjoying the facilities was well worth it. So if you're ever in Cozumel and you want to try something different, you don't want to have to pay an extra $40 for a cab ride to an all-inclusive beach club, check this one out. You get some good sights of the cruise ships as well. But check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram. Make sure you follow fireandwatertravel.com. And make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the next Fire and Water Travel video. And check out Del Mar Latino in the link below. I think you'll enjoy it next time you're in Cozumel, Mexico. I'll see you on the next one.